Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English second paper class for the students of class 7. Dear students, look here. Today's topic is article and this is our lecture number 3 and SW number 2. Let's start our today's topic. Dear students, look here. From article I will discuss here today only A and N. Okay, these two types of articles here. Dear students, I am going to discuss today. Look here, introducing articles. Lesson 1, indefinite article A, comma N. Okay, this topic I am going to discuss today. This is not our lesson 1. This is not our lesson 1. Okay, so our topic is what? A, N, and that means this indefinite article I am going to discuss. Look here, dear students, I have written here an example. Look, dear students, please follow it. What I have written on the board. Rajshahi is an old city. It stands on the Podda in a village called Bausa. In Rajshahi there is a man who is recognized as a book lover. He is Polan Sarkar. Okay, dear students, look here, these underlined words like N, the, A, all of these words are called what? All of these words are called articles. Okay, they take their position. Dear students, they take their position in front of nouns or noun equivalent words. Okay. Now, dear students, now I am going to discuss about these two types of article A and N. Look here, different uses of A and N. The words that begin with a consonant sound take the article A in front of them. Example, a girl, a boy, a pen. Okay. Then the next one is what? And N is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an ox, an apple, an umbrella. Okay, dear students. Now look, I am going to discuss here another topic. Look here. Look here, in this box you will find some words like an honest person, and here, an hour, and MA. Okay, in the above box there are some words that begin with consonants, but those consonants have a vowel sound. Okay. And what are they? They are an honest, and here, an hour, and MA. Okay, therefore they take N before them instead of A. Okay, because there are some words that begin with consonants, but those consonants have a vowel sound. Okay, dear students. So now I am going to discuss number 4. Look here, in this box we have found some words like a university, a UE, a European, a useful report, a unit, a unique opportunity. Okay, dear students, look here. Though the words in the above box begin with a vowel, they are pronounced like a consonant sound. Okay, dear students, they are pronounced like a consonant sound. So instead of N, A is used before those words. Okay, like what about the following words? One-eyed man. Here O sounds like W. Therefore, A is placed before these words, not N. Okay, now number 6, generalized use of the article A or N. Our students should respect their teachers. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. Look here, A/N has been used to generalize student and idle brain, okay. A student and an idle brain respectively imply all students and all idle brains. Okay, dear students. Now look, why do the following names designations have an indefinite article before them? Look, Mr. Deepak Roy came to see you, and Imran Khan is waiting for you in the lodge. Look, name of unknown persons or their designation take A/N to mean someone. Okay. Look, number 8, A/N in some exclamatory sentences. What an honest man he is! What a splendid picture you have drawn! Look here. A or N is used in certain exclamatory sentences that begin with what to determine the noun of their sentence. Look, some phrases have A or N. In a hurry, at a great speed, at an early date, in a temper. The article A or N is used in a number of phrases. Why do the following names have indefinite articles before them? Look, she is Begum Rokeya, I see. He is Sheni of Bangladesh. He is an Ernest Hemingway of India. Look here, the article A or N has been used to denote likeness. Here, the proper noun has been used as a common noun. Dear students, here I have given 1 to 10 exercises. Number 1, he is gap scientist. Number 2, she wrote gap number of books. Number 3, have you taken gap appointment with Dr. Alim? Number 4, she was gap social worker. Number 5, Rohim is gap English. Number 6, he is gap MA. Number 7, I saw gap one-legged man in the street. Number 8, Mina is gap good girl. Number 9, Karim is dash honest person. Number 10, Rashid is gap or dash FRCS. Look dear students, about this gap I have discussed here from this example. Okay, if you follow this properly, I think you will do this easily. So these 10 gaps, these 10 exercises you have to submit on next Saturday. Okay, this exercises 1 to 10, it will be your SW1 which and SW number 2. Okay, you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, I think you have understood our today's topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.